Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, a lot of you might already know about my must-have series that I do here, and a lot of you seem to find that very helpful, and I'm so glad that you guys do. It includes information about must-have wardrobe essentials, must-have dresses, must-have tops, shirts. I've done quite a lot of videos, and I can guarantee you that you will take away something from those videos. In case you've missed any of them, I'm going to link the playlist down below for you guys, so you must watch them. I promise you it's going to be super helpful. Now today's video is also a part of that must-have series. You guys, I am assuming, must have heard of the brand H&M, and H&M में हर चीज़ इतनी affordable नहीं होती है, and I know that, but there are some amazing basic finds that you can get from that brand that are all under 1,000, so they're not expensive at all. They are in the range of $399 to $999, everything under 1,000, and they are very good basic pieces. I have personally had them for a very long time. I've mentioned them in my earlier videos, but I thought I will make a list of all those H&M basics that you can get your hands on. This is not a haul video because ये मैंने अभी shopping नहीं की है. Over the years, I have collected these pieces and gone on the website and picked out specific pieces that I might not even have myself, but I think कि वो आपके पास होनी चाहिए या आप ले सकते हो if you're planning to shop. So I'm going to get started with the video now, but I'm going to link all the products down below for you guys so you don't have to worry about struggling to find those links. Now let's get started. So the first must-have from H&M are basic black and white t-shirts. I in fact wear the ones that are from H&M, and they are just for 399 rupees, and you get really good quality for that. I have both white and black that I have had for a very long time. These are 100% must-have in every girl's wardrobe. You can pair it with jeans, shorts, skirts, dungarees, literally anything that you want to pair it with. Do that because you can never go wrong with these. My second basic must-have from H&M is a pair of black leggings. Now, be it winter or summers, you can wear this in any season of the year, and they are very good quality cotton leggings. They are just for $6.99 and they last you very long. In fact, all the pieces that I'm showing you, you can create multiple outfits out of these must-have very basic pieces, which are all under 1,000, so they're definitely worth your investment. You can wear this with kurtis, you can wear a crop top and a jacket over it, or you can wear it with an oversized shirt. I have bought leggings from H&M most of my life, so I would highly recommend these for you guys as well. Before I move on with the rest of the list, I do want to thank Lakme for sending across that matte moist range to me. I got the Lakme 9 to 5 matte moist clay face wash and the clay face mask, and I feel like they came at just the right time because the Mumbai weather is making my skin super oily, and this really helps absorb all that excess oil, mattifies the skin and leaves it feeling very fresh and cooling. The major ingredients in this are green tea extracts and mineral clay, and it comes at a very affordable price point of just 250 rupees. I've started using the face wash in my morning routines, especially because I wake up with a really oily skin sometimes, and even though it mattifies the skin, it also keeps it moisturized for a very good while, which is great because a lot of matte products tend to dry up your skin. I have personally experienced that, which results in production of even more excess oil because the skin obviously tries to cover up for the dryness on your skin, and the cycle of dryness and then excess oil just continues. But this sort of has solved the problem for me, I feel. So if you guys do want to give this a try, I am going to leave it down in the description box for you guys. Like I said, the ingredients are very good for absorbing all the excess oil on your skin, and you must give it a try. Moving on, the third basic from H&M that you can get is these solid colored sweatshirts. I picked them up from the men's section mostly, and they cost you just $7.99, and they are very thick and they are very good quality. They also have fleece lining inside, so it is it does keep you warm. And even in like summers, if you're living in a coastal area where it does get pleasant in the evenings, these will serve the right purpose for you. I have the one in pink, but they have like very good basic solid colors, which I think is sort of a basic piece that you should have in your wardrobe. Now lots of brands sell cheaper sweatshirts, but उनका जो fabric होता है वो बहुत ही पतला और cotton होता है, so they serve literally no purpose as a sweatshirt, but these ones are thick and great quality. and just for $7.99. Next basic from H&M that you can get are these ribbed vest tops. The one that I have is slightly longer in length as compared to the one that I'm showing you available on the website right now, but they cost you just $3.99, and you can wear it with high-waisted jeans, you can wear it with high-waisted denim shorts and put a white shirt or any sort of like a shrug or a shirt or a jacket over them. These are such like classic everyday casual pieces that you don't even realize when you need them. Like when you have nothing to wear, you can just pull this out and put on a pair of denim jeans and you're good to go. These are that handy and they cost you just $3.99 like I said. So I think this is a basic from H&M that you can get for yourself, and इसमें दूसरे colors भी available है, so you do get a variety of colors to choose from as well. So moving on to my next H&M basic that you can get is a white shirt, and in H&M, sorry, this one's really crushed because the material is like this, but you can get white shirts in H&M for just $7.99. And I recently did a must-have shirt video which you guys should watch. I'm going to link it down below for you guys and also link it on top over here. And white shirts, I spoke about how white shirts are so versatile. You can wear it from like a casual occasion to a formal occasion. You can dress it up and wear it from day to night if you wear the right accessories. So a white shirt, like I said, is a must-have, and in H&M you get it just for $7.99. And let's move on to the next H&M basic that you can get. So next up on my list are t-shirt dresses. Every time you go to H&M and they come out with a new collection, you will see different t-shirt dresses, and they cost you just $7.99, and some even cost you just $6.99. I have ones that are from an older collection, so I cannot link them, the exact ones for you. And if you're looking for some basic everyday wear, these t-shirt dresses would be perfect for you. I don't have the one that I'm showing you on the website right now, but H&M has new ones coming out every like month or every second month, so you can always go to their website, visit a store, and you will definitely find something that would be perfect for basic everyday at just $7.99. Now the seventh basic from H&M that you can get are hoop earrings. I got these from H&M about 6 years back. I did my first accessory collection video a while back and I mentioned these. It was like a 2-year-old video and I mentioned these exact earrings in that video as well, and they've lasted me so long. All of these three came in a set and it cost me around $6.99, $7.99 only. And right now there is a set of 6 hoop earrings available on H&M just for $6.99, and they're super handy because you get different sizes, so you don't have to struggle to find different sizes individually. You get it in a pack, and of course bigger the hoop, the more informal and more party appropriate it becomes. So you get a variety that you can wear from casual, formal to like party occasion. So I think these are an H&M must-have for sure. And the last H&M basic that you can get are ribbed crop tops. And I have like noticed that a lot of people ask me where these tops are from every time I wear them, be it on Instagram or YouTube over here. These are some solid color ribbed crop tops, and you get a variety of colors in them on the website, and these are just for $6.99 rupees. When I was building my t-shirt collection, like there was this point where I just wanted to have solid color t-shirts that I could wear on an everyday basis. So if you are building your wardrobe, I would highly recommend that you get these solid colored crop tops. Again, like I said, this is something that you don't realize that you need, because when you don't know what to wear, you can just pull these out from your wardrobe, different colors every day, and pair it with just jeans or shorts or pants or whatever you're comfortable wearing. And because these are for $6.99, you can actually get multiple colors, or over time you can keep picking these up. The fabric is very good, they fit really well, and I really like them. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and found it helpful. All the links of the Lakme product as well, and also the H&M basics, will be down below for you guys. Don't leave the video without hitting that like, share, subscribe button. Comment down below and tell me if you want me to do basics from any other brand, maybe Zara. Let me know in the comments down below and I will do that for you guys. I'm going to sign off now and I will see you guys in my next video.